Welcome to AEL. Today, we will look at the difference between digital and analog pins on Arduino Uno, where to use them and how they read signals. Understanding this is fundamental for any project, so let's get started. First, let's talk about digital signals. Think of them as simple on-off switches, like a light switch in your room. They have only two states, high or low representing 1 or 0. Digital pins on Arduino Uno are designed to handle these on-off signals. They can be set as outputs to turn things on or off, or as inputs to detect if something is on or off, like a button press. Digital pins are perfect for tasks requiring discrete states like controlling LEDs. Reading buttons like detecting if a button is pressed or released. Controlling relays like switching higher power devices like lights or motors. Now, let's shift to analog signals. Unlike digital, analog signals have a continuous range of values. Imagine a dimmer switch. It's not just on or off, but can be anywhere in between. Analog signals smoothly vary over time, like temperature or the volume of music. Analog pins on your Arduino are special. They have an analog to digital converter built in. This analog to digital converter takes a varying analog voltage and converts it into a digital number. For most Arduinos, this means a value between 0 unit, for 0 volts, and 1023 unit, for 5 volts. This allows your Arduino to understand nuances, not just on, off. Analog pins are vital for reading varying data like reading temperatures from temperature sensors, detecting varying light intensity with light sensors, measuring how much a knob is turned from potentiometers. You've now mastered digital and analog pins. You can make your Arduino turn things on, off and read nuanced sensor data. If this was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to AEL, Alpha Electronic Lab. Hit that bell icon to not miss our next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and happy experimenting.